Hello students, if you have a hard time working on your warm-ups, here's some tips from Miss Jade. Actually, I'm going to work on the problems for you, okay? So you click Edit in Browser. Come on. Okay, here we go. So you click Draw if you want to draw. Okay, so this puzzle, we already talked about it. So I even give you a hint. You need to start here. So you think about it. So how many, what is this one lime worth, right? So you say, okay, what plus what equals 2? It has to be the same because it's the same lime. It's super simple. So 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So you put 1 on all the limes. So now, which one can I work out? Oh, this one. So 26 minus what is 1? Or you can think about it the other way. 26 minus 1 is what? Super simple. 26 minus 1 is 25, right? So you know this is 25. And you know this is 25. Remember, the point of this puzzle is to answer this question, right? So now, if you know the lemon plus 9, the lemon is 1, so plus 9, that is 10. So the fish, if you have 2 of them, each one would be what? 5, right? Because 5 plus 5 equal 10. So this fish is also 5. So now you can work out what the jelly beans are. So if 5 plus 5 equal 10 and you need to go to 25, you need 15 more here. 25 minus 10 is 15. So the jelly beans is 15. So 25 minus 15 is 10. Okay. So the answer for this one is so 10. Okay. Now let's go to the second problem for Tuesday. When a rectangular jigsaw puzzle is put together, it has 45. This is a highlighter, so as you do, it's 45 pieces across the top and 28 pieces down the side. How many puzzle pieces are there in this jigsaw puzzle altogether? How many puzzle pieces are there in this jigsaw puzzle altogether? Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's work this problem. It's asking the number of puzzle pieces. Okay, that's the question mark. And you have 45 across the top. And you have 28 on the side. Right? So how do you do this? What is the, if you need to find the inside of this puzzle, you know that's like area, right? So you multiply 45 times 28. So for an area of a rectangle, you multiply the length times the width. Before we solve this, let's estimate. Okay, so 45 is close to what? 50. 28 is close to 30. So your answer should be close to what? That's what estimation is. Okay, that's what estimation is, just saying my answer is supposed to be close to what? Okay. So how do you multiply 50 times 30? That's super simple, correct? You have 2 zeros. So do that. One from the 50 and one from 30. And 5 times 3 is 5, 10, 15. So that's 1500. So your answer should be about 1500 or a little less because I round this up and I round this up. So now let's multiply 45 times 28. You do first 45 times 8, right? So basically you do this and that, right? So 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 4 is 36. Put your placeholder because now we're doing 45 times 20. Okay, so basically now you're going to do this times that, right? 45 times 20. So I put my 0. 2 times 5 is, oh, I'm done with that one. I'm done with that one. That's 0. Carry my 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So now I added 0, 6, 12. Is it close to this? Yeah. Let me double check. Make sure that my answer is right. 45 times 28 equals, yep, 1,260 puzzle pieces. Okay. So, everybody okay with that? Now I'm going to go to Wednesday. Okay, let's do Wednesday. A small theater presented 12 concert performances. If 196 people attended each concert, how many people attended the concert in all? So how many total people attended the concert, right? If there's 12 concert performances, so that's like the group, there's 12 group of concerts, and for each there's 196 people attended. How many people attended the concert in all? So the question is how many total? And each one is 196 people. Oh, I don't know what's going on here. And the group is 12 concert. And the question is how many all people, right? Number of people. Okay, so you know, because it's asking for the total, and here, look here. This is what it's telling you. You need to multiply, right? So really you're multiplying 100 . So you're really multiplying 196 times 12, okay? So if you estimate this is around 200. You can estimate this into 10, or you can keep it at 12 if you know what 12 times 2 is. Since I know what 12 times 2, I'm going to keep that 12, so my answer is close. So I say 12 times 2 is 24. So that's 24 with 2 zeros, 2400. Or you can also say, okay, it's 200 times 10. It should be about 2,000 people, okay? That's about. So when you have multiple choice problems, you know, you can eliminate, like, you know, the dodo answer choices. You can just do, you can eliminate the bad answer choices, and then you can do your calculation. So you say 196 times 12, right? Oops, I messed up a little bit. So you do 196 times 2 first, which is 21913. Okay, I'm going to switch color. You put a 0. And then now it's 196 times 1. That's just 196. I'm sorry, it's such a mess here. Let me erase this one if I could. Okay. And then I edit. Is this right? Oh, I didn't write 1. See? So you say 2, 5, 15, carry my 1. I added 9 and 1 because that's easiest. That's 10. And then 13, carry my 1, 2. Is my answer close to 2000? Yep, it's close. So that's my answer is probably correct. So there were 2,352 people attended the concert. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. See, this is also the question is how much did, oops, sorry. But come on, eraser, please work. Okay, here we go. How much did the what? How much did the students pay? Okay. For the backpack altogether. So this is the question is still what? The total, right? So you know how to do this one. I'm not going to show this one to you. The question should go here. And this is 24. So you need to write 24 here. Okay. Okay, this is two-step problems. Attempt to do it first. If you have question, I'm going to post the video on Thursday when we meet. So see you tomorrow, I guess. Bye.